Hey everybody, MTB here. It's Saturday morning. We'll see when we get this video up. I haven't shaved in a few days. It should be a straight razor, but it's not today. We're going to stick with Aquatic June Rain Cloud. I've done a video on this one. Easy to lather. This is the triple butter base. He's got a 4 butter base out. Joe does over at Subtle Art. I'll put up base ingredients and scent notes. We're gonna face lather. It's like 6:29. I gotta be at work at 7:30, and I like to give myself 25 minutes to get there and get clocked in. So, loading up. We're using the TRC blue pearlized ice. I still contend. I think it's like $16.99. It's a great price for synthetic, and I like the way it looks. I like blue. You know, if you've been watching the channel, I like blue. Could have gone all matchy, but we didn't today. You know what? I'm going to get this loaded up, but I need to load the actual razor. I think this is a Quintero design. I want to say Quentin Tarantino every time I think of it. Greg printed off for me. This is an open comb. I should be using this one because it's matchy. But like, look at the head geometry. Like, that's some seriously different head geometry going on here, people. Like, we're gonna use this one, see what it's like. We'll go ahead and load it up. The stem on this is crazy. See, I'm gonna make it a quick shave, and here I am just talking away. But the post, let's look at the post. See, it doesn't have real threading. It's got like that half on each side. Pretty cool, but it's an extremely long post, which probably goes since it goes further into the handle. Obviously, it's going to go further into the handle. You would think that makes maybe that has something to do with structural reasons, like it makes it more of a solid piece. I don't know how to explain that better, but makes it more recessed. I don't know how to explain what I'm thinking. Sorry, it's early in the morning. Well, it's not early in the morning, but I did just get up. Did get out of the shower. We should be, you know, well hydrated beard. We're just gonna see how this double edge open comb. Did I show y'all it's a Tatra? Oh, loading is interesting. I can't get it. So what you do is sit here and like, yeah, kind of. I had to thread it on. Well, this is not turning into the quick shave I wanted it to be. That's going to be fun unloading, but we got it on. Goes like this, and you kind of see what it's like in there. So thus far, the loading is not the easiest. I can see someone cutting themselves up. I've always wanted to try his razor, so thank you, Greg, for printing these off. You really didn't have to. DK had gotten some. I think he was sent some single edge because that's DK's thing. I'm gonna wet the face. All right, just kind of get to going. I did just sprinkle some menthol on the top of this tub. This is a very delicate scent, which means it is not strong off the tub. It's just a delicate scent. And that's a thing. Oh yeah, menthol. There we go. So what I did is I just sprinkled menthol on the top of the tub and took a wet brush and just started loading. I figure we'll see how that goes. Can't be too much of a problem, and if I got menthol in this soap, I'm not going to be upset about it. He got menthol in my soap. He got soap in my menthol. knocked down some growth, little worried about work, gonna have to get some termination insurance. It's sad that termination insurance is like a thing, but UPS is doing some really crazy stuff right now. Firing people. The one guy that's gotten his job back thus far, he was out 6 months. He got fired for like going to the restroom 4 times in a 12-hour day, and he broke off to go to the restroom, and that's why he's in trouble, because he should have found a place on Trace, and he's in the middle of a subdivision somewhere. It's like, where are you going to go? And they want you to clock out for that time to go to the restroom. And it's like, are you kidding me? Like, it's just insane. Huh. It's a different shaving angle. It's not a bad one. Lather's still stuck in there. I did use an PK. I knew it. I felt it the other day through the stubble. There's like an ingrown there. So much lather. I figured the open comb would be a more efficient option. I mean, there are lather channels. There's not, obviously, on the open comb. If you've never used an open comb, and you're wondering why I said obviously with an open comb. Open combs have an open comb so they don't need lather channels. There we go. Yeah, it's still a little pasty. I'm just gonna go ahead and start. Clean up the shirt. It's the underneath shirt for work today. Like I was saying, good thing I've been working all these hours. Get termination insurance. Hopefully that'll go into effect before they ever try to fire me. But like, they're firing, like, I say young guys. They've been with the company like 10 years or less and stuff. People been with the company 20 years. I've been there 27. And like, it doesn't matter. Rhyme or reason. Some they consider lazy workers. Some they consider, troublemakers. Just because they exercise their union rights. But the latest one's like always in a good mood, never griping about anything really, always smiling, and does a good job. And they say he stole 14 minutes throughout the day. They won't specify or anything, but he'll find out at the local hearing since he's grieving his termination. It's just insane. Like, are they gonna calculate the times we pulled bottles of water out of the cooler? I mean, that's what they fired people for, is like going to the ice machine to fill their Yeti bottle of water, whatever, with ice so they can get some water. And sometimes you got to walk to a further ice machine because the ice machines run out of ice. So, I mean, you're not trying to steal time. You're just trying to get ice and water. And I'm sorry that the ice machine's out. It's out because it's the closest one to the majority of the people. And I've heard, you know, when you go to locals and panels and committee and it gets to arbitration, like, all it is just painting the employee as like the worst employee, and you're like, wow, he's a troublemaker, he's stealing our time, and all this stuff. But like, the people that load our trucks misload constantly. If they're misloading, they don't put stuff where it's supposed to go. Like, just an example, like you've got a shelf and say the numbers are 1 through 100. You put them in sequential order, 1 through 100. Not even close, just they kind of get it on the right shelf, and the one can be behind the 99, the 3 can be in the 52. You get what I'm saying? It's just, and I'm wasting time doing that, but rinse up. We'll be right, guys. We are back, but I have like an ingrown or something. I noticed it yesterday. I just didn't get all that loose hair off. Oh well. Did a half-ass rinse. 6:42. I get out of the house by 7. I'll be happy. I'm still barefoot and just need to put on a work shirt. We've brushed the teeth. We've done all that, so we're good to go. I do like, oopsie, I did leave some lather up there. So yeah, half-ass rinse. It's a good feeling splash. Good looking bottle. This is a nice scent. It's just delicate. I got menthol on my hands and stuff, so it's kind of difficult to smell off my hands like usual. I enjoy it. Happy with it. It's not bold and banging. It is on the lowest of low sides. I still like it. I still use it. Going to use it. I don't know that I'll pick it up again. I'll pick up Storm Cloud. Much better scent. Interesting shave. It's super close. Feels good. I know this looks awful down here, but that's not from the razor. That's from whatever. I get a lot of beard growth, or like after a few days, and it really messes, like the hairs turn in and prickle and cause irritation. Just can't stand it. Anyways, really close shave. Kind of surprised on that. I didn't get this right. I'm gonna have to go in here and trim out. Don't like it. All right. Peace. I gotta go. Catch you guys later. Aquatic June. Thank you, Greg. Check out Greg Gallant. I will link his channel below. Awesome honing stuff. Master honer. But anyways, he's a Honemeister. There we go. I will talk to you guys later.